TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very sunny and pleasant Delray Beach, Florida. It's your 11 a.m. update, and we've got a sea of green out there. You've got Dow is up 417 points. S&P's up 87. 463 for the NASDAQ 100, 32 for the Russell, 243 for the trannies, 199 for the semis, 400 points for the NASDAQ Composite New York Stock Exchange up 198. It's still just a counter trend rally. You got gold that is trading off $3. Silver's down $1.30. Light sweet crude up 43 pennies. Let's try to figure out what all this means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini. ES Mini's got a nice little counter trend move going. If we could close above 68.82, then we likely get a second day of rally. We still may get a second day of rally. We'll take a look at the seasonal patterns during the Trader's Edge show out there. But just know that resistance up at 68.82. In the case of the NQ, resistance up at the top of its profile right now. That level is at the 25.437 area. Now, the Dow Equity Future contract is one that is really showing promise at this moment in time. Now, we have not closed above yesterday's high. So I say that in order to make we really kind of got to watch a couple different things out here. First, the swing point that is dealing with is December the 12th, and the low there is 48,738. We've been up to as much as 48,728, so we're 10 points shy of that. You could get a test of rejection. If you close inside that, you close above its green oscillator change line, that would suggest we would go test its high. So the Dow is a wild card out here. High-grade copper still a consolidation with inside profile after forming a Rhodes momentum indicator top. Gold likely targeting 44.27. Bearish reversal candle would form a sell the D point top. Silver just trading above profile resistance, green oscillator and change line. Likely to move higher out here. You could form a TD9 count top. So really those of you that are bullish on silver, you prefer just see kind of move sideways here for a couple of days. Light sweet crude has a buy the D point bottom pattern, price running right into resistance, both at the bottom of its profile and its oscillator and change line. A close above 57.24 would say that the rally's got some legs to it. Natural gas is trading inside a new bullish structured profile. That profile's got support between 394 and 404 out there. We could see a rally up to 436, which is the top of its profile and its oscillator and change line. And finally, the 30-year Treasury just consolidating inside its daily profile. That's between the level of 115, even Steven, and all the way up to the 116.15 level. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Thursday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.